Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Rotating blackouts occur when power companies cut off electricity to residential neighborhoods and small businesses, typically for 10 to 45 minutes before being rotated to another location, ERCOT said.
Take our lead.
Still, the vast majority of this week's outages stemmed from issues with limited natural gas production and frozen supplies at natural gas, coal and nuclear facilities, not from solar and wind failures. Empty shelves in the meat aisle at a grocery store in McKinney, Texas, U.S., on Wednesday, February 17, 2021. One day ago.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.